If I told you that the biggest lie about investing isn't risk, or timing, or even knowledge, but money itself, would you believe me? Because the truth is this: most people don't fail at investing because they're poor. They fail because they wait. They wait for the right moment. They wait for more money. They wait until it feels safe. And while they wait, time moves on. Quietly, relentlessly, unforgivingly. What if I told you that $10 a week is enough to break that cycle? Enough to stop waiting. Enough to start owning. This isn't a shortcut. It's something far more dangerous to excuses. It's a system. $10 feels insignificant. It's the price of a fast meal, a subscription fee, a short ride. Because it feels small, people underestimate it. They spend it without thinking. But the market doesn't care about how small an amount feels. The market only responds to time, consistency, and compounding. When you invest $10 every single week, you're not making a one-time decision. You're making a habit-based decision. And habits compound faster than money. The goal isn't to turn $10 into $1,000 overnight. The goal is to turn you into an investor who never stops. Before we talk about the strategy, we need to understand the tool. An ETF, an exchange-traded fund, is a basket of investments. When you buy one ETF, you are buying pieces of many companies at once. Instead of choosing individual stocks and hoping you're right, ETFs allow you to buy entire markets, entire sectors, entire economies. This matters even more when your capital is small. With $10, buying a single stock exposes you to unnecessary risk. With $10 invested in ETFs, you gain instant diversification. ETFs reduce risk, simplify decisions, and remove emotion. That's why professional investors, pension funds, and long-term institutions rely on them. Before we talk strategy, you need to understand the tool. An ETF, an exchange-traded fund, is a bundle of investments. When you buy one ETF, you instantly own small pieces of hundreds of companies. Instead of betting on one stock and hoping you're right, ETFs let you buy entire markets, entire sectors, entire economies. And this matters even more when your money is small. With $10, buying a single stock is basically gambling. But with $10 in ETFs, you get instant diversification, less risk, fewer decisions, zero emotion. That's why professional investors, pension funds, and billion-dollar institutions use ETFs, and why beginners should start here. The strategy is simple. You invest $10 every week. You split it across 4 ETFs. Each ETF plays a specific role. You repeat this process indefinitely. This system works because it removes guesswork. There's no "when should I invest?" or "which stock should I pick?" The answer is always the same. Every week. Same ETFs, same process. This portfolio is built like a machine. Each ETF has a clear purpose. ETF 1, Total US Market. This ETF represents the backbone of the portfolio. Examples: VTII TOTS CHB. When you buy this ETF, you are buying ownership in the entire US stock market. That includes companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Tesla, and thousands more. The US market has historically been one of the strongest engines of global growth. This ETF provides stability, growth, and long-term reliability. This is not a bet on one company. It's a bet on an entire economy. ETF 2, International market examples. VXUSIXUS. Many beginners make the mistake of investing only in their home country. But the world is bigger than one market. International ETFs give you exposure to Europe, Asia, emerging markets, developing economies. This reduces risk. When one country struggles, others may grow. Over long periods, global diversification smooths volatility and increases resilience. You are not predicting which country will outperform. You are accepting that the future is uncertain and preparing for it. ETF 3. Growth and Technology. Examples: QQQVUG. This is the growth engine. Technology, innovation, and productivity drive long-term wealth creation. These ETFs focus on companies pushing boundaries: cloud computing, AI, software, digital infrastructure. This ETF will be more volatile. It will rise faster during bull markets and fall harder during downturns. That volatility is not a flaw. It's the cost of growth. For long-term investors, volatility is not danger. It's opportunity. ETF 4. Dividends and Stability. Examples: SCHD VYM. This ETF provides balance. Dividend-focused ETFs invest in companies that generate consistent cash flow and return profits to shareholders. These companies tend to be mature, stable, and resilient. Dividends may seem small at first, but over time, they create a psychological shift. You begin to see money working for you, paying you, even when markets are quiet. This ETF reduces emotional stress and adds durability to the portfolio. With $10 per week, the cleanest structure is $2.50 into each ETF. If your broker allows fractional shares with low minimums, this can be automated, but many platforms require a minimum purchase of $5. That's where strategy matters. Instead of buying all 4 ETFs every week, you rotate. Week 1, $5 into total US market ETF $5 into growth ETF. Week 2, $5 into international ETF $5 into dividend ETF. Then repeat. Over time, the result is mathematically equivalent. The difference is operational simplicity. Investing is not about perfection. It's about consistency. The most important feature of this strategy is scalability. You start with $10 because it's easy. Later, when income grows, you increase it. $10 becomes $20. $20 becomes $50. $50 becomes $100. But the structure stays the same. Same ETFs, same system, same discipline. Wealth is built by systems that grow with you. The most important feature of this strategy is scalability. You start with $10 because it's easy. Later, when income grows, you increase it. $10 becomes $20. $20 becomes $50. $50 becomes $100. But the structure stays the same. Same ETFs, same system, same discipline. Wealth is built by systems that grow with you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more personal finance tips, leave a comment if you have questions, and click the video on the screen to watch the next one.